Welcome back to our channel, SCON Design India Private Limited. Today, our survey team visited Indiranagar, Bengaluru for precise excavation marking and pile marking. This project was given by valued client, Mr. Naveen Prakash, a trusted builder in Bengaluru. We have been working with him the past 1 year. We are grateful for the trust he places in our services. Every month, he'll give us 4 to 5 projects, and we truly appreciate this long term professional relationship. At today's site, our team carefully carried out the excavation layout and pile point marking using professional surveying equipment. Accurate marking is one of the most important steps before construction begins. At Swan Design India Private Limited, we focus on precise quality and timely delivery for every project. If you are a builder, architect, contractor, or property owner looking for professional land surveying or setting out services, feel free contact us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more real time projects update from SCON Design India Private Limited. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.